Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi Redmi K40 to an Android device. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them and download an app called Send Anywhere. Then open it. Click I accept, choose confirm, continue and allow. After that, go with Send on Xiaomi and Receive on an Android. Now tap on all of those dots and choose Send to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will only select this one photo, click Send and tap Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this password over here and choose Receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan the code, tap on the scanning icon on an Android, then choose only this time or while using the app and point your device's camera at the code. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred, but you can always check it out for sure by going into some kind of files app, for example that one. Click Continue, select Browse in the middle and tapping on, in my case, Images. As you can see, Send Anywhere section is here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!